In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up currency conversion at checkout in Shopify. We'll walk through how to let customers see and pay in their own local currency using Shopify's markets and your online store theme settings. Follow along in your own admin as I go and pause whenever you need to. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Markets. Click that. Here, you'll see a list of all the markets you currently have set up, such as your primary market and any international regions you've created. If you want to target a new region entirely, you can click the Create Market button at the top right and go through Shopify's setup flow. Otherwise, choose an existing market that you want to enable local currency for and click on it to open the market editor. Inside the market editor, look for the section labeled Currency. You'll see a drop-down field beside it. Click that drop-down and you'll get another menu where you can specify how currency is handled for that market. Make sure you select the option that says Use Local Currencies. This is the key setting that allows customers in that region to pay in their own currency at checkout, instead of being forced into your store's base currency. Once you've selected Use Local Currencies, scroll if needed and click Save. It's easy to forget this step, but the change won't go live until you save it. Next, we'll make sure shoppers can actually switch countries or regions from your storefront. On the left-hand menu of your admin, find and click Online Store. This will bring you to your themes page. At the top of this page, you'll see your current live theme. On the right side of that theme, click the Edit Theme or Customize button to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the panel on the left where your sections are listed. Find your header section, or in some themes, you might prefer to use the footer section instead. Click on the header or footer to open its settings. Within those settings, look for a subsection often called Utilities or something similar. Here, you'll see an option to enable a country region selector. Turn this on. Once it's enabled, check the preview window on the right side of the editor. You should now see a country or region selector in your header or footer, showing the selected country along with its currency. When everything looks good in the preview, go to the top right of the theme editor and click Save. This applies your changes to the live store, so visitors can choose their region and see prices in the correct local currency at checkout.